Hey guys, welcome to my first 2-Minute Tuesday where I share my thoughts on the latest news or recent events from a personal finance perspective, or I share a quick tip with you. So for today, I'd like to share a tip with you on the medical expense tax credit. This is a tax credit that's available to you and your dependents if you had eligible medical expenses that were incurred during the year. Now, the calculation of the credit isn't just the dollar amount you spent, but it gets deducted by the lesser of 3% of your net income, or a dollar amount determined by the CRA, which was $2,352 for the 2019 tax year. This means if you spent $10,000 on braces for your child and you had $50,000 in net income for the year, then your medical expense tax credit comes out to $8,500, which is calculated as the $10,000 you spent on braces minus 3% of your $50,000 in net income, since that's the lesser of the two and the limit of $2,352. Okay, so here's the actual tip. The medical expenses that you can claim can be for any 12-month period, as long as it ends in the current calendar year. So say, for example, you had some eyeglasses that you purchased for $1,500 last year in October, and you spent $10,000 on your kids on braces for this year, let's say in June. Well, the 12-month period that you can pick could be last October to this October. So effectively, you would capture the $1,500 in glasses plus the $10,000 in braces, effectively claiming $11,500 before being grinded down by 3% of your net income of $50,000, which would effectively leave you with $10,000 to be claimed. Now, this is much better than if you were trying to claim, the $1,500 and the $10,000 in braces in two separate years, because if you tried to claim the $1,500 of eyeglasses last year, you wouldn't be able to claim anything because it would have been grinded down by your 3% of net income. So you would have been left with nothing. And then if you claim the $10,000 in braces this year, the $1,500 in terms of 3% of your net income would have grinded that down to $8,500, effectively leaving you with less than the $10,000 if we were to combine both within the same 12-month period. Alright, so thanks for watching this week's 2-Minute Tuesday, and like always, if you found this video to be informative, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about personal finances, and I'll see you all next week.